How do planes take off? Why ice float on water? Where do penguins live?
It sharpens the brain, increase the wisdom.
Hello everybody and welcome to Brentonic. Our today's topic is how is dew formed? You must have seen small water droplets on the blades of the grass and leaves of plants, shining like pearls in the early hours of morning. These water drops are called dew. Many people still think that dewdrops are like a rainwater which fall on the earth from the sky at night, which is not true. The air around us contains a water vapor which we call moisture or humidity. Hot air contains more moisture as compared to cold air. At night, when the hot air comes in contact with some cold surface, water vapor present in the air condenses on the cold surface in the form of droplets. These tiny drops of water are called dew drops. The process of dew formation can be seen in a simple experiment. Take a glass and place it on a table. Now put some ice or ice cold water inside the glass. You will notice that after some time, small drops of water appear on the outer surface of the glass. These water drops are formed by the condensation of water vapors present in the air when it comes in contact with the cold surface of glass. Similarly, the water vapor in the air condenses on the cold surfaces of grass, flowers and leaves to form a dewdrop. The dew formation is more conspicuous when the sky is clear and less when it is cloudy. When the sky is clear, it becomes cooler at night. Therefore, there is more condensation of water and hence more dew formation. But when it is cloudy, trees and plants are not able to radiate and lose heat and therefore do not get cooled in the night. Hence is less dew formation. As the sun rises, it begins to get warmer and these dew drops evaporates into air and disappear. Thank you.